Count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Count the lollipop and write the numbers. 1, 2. Match with number 2. 1, 2, 3. Match with number 3. 1. Match with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Match 4 lollipops with the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Match 5 lollipops with the numbers 5. Now count the numbers and match with same numbers. 1. Match one number with 1. 3. Match 3 with 3. 6. Match 6 with the 6th number. 5. Match 5 with number 5. 2. Match with number 2. 4. Match with number 4. Good.